Have you ever felt calmer after a walk in the park? Nature is not just beautiful, it profoundly affects our health. Today, we dive into the vital link between natural environments and human well-being. As we explore this topic, understand that greenery and water bodies are essential to mental health. They boost our mood, reduce anxiety, and enhance overall well-being. This video will unravel how these experiences benefit us psychologically. First, let's look at green spaces. Parks, gardens, and forests offer refuge. They reduce psychological stress and improve mood. Being in nature lets our minds rest, helping us feel relaxed and refreshed. Next, we'll discuss blue spaces. Lakes, rivers, and oceans bring additional therapeutic effects. Together, these green and blue spaces create environments conducive to recovery. But how does this work? Research shows that nature promotes physical activity. Walking, biking, or simply sitting amidst greenery engage us physically and mentally. This boosts social interaction, reducing feelings of isolation. The multisensory experiences, sights, sounds, and smells, foster a profound connection to the environment. Now, imagine living in Lusaka, Zambia. Many residents enjoy places like the Kafue River. Sadly, not everyone has equal access. Peri-urban areas struggle due to pollution and urban neglect. Let's explore how this affects mental health in those communities. Now, let's consider biodiversity. Diverse ecosystems amplify the restorative effects of natural spaces. These environments captivate our senses through colors and sounds, enhancing our mood and emotional regulation. However, it's crucial to note that perceptions of biodiversity vary. What feels peaceful to one may seem overwhelming to another. Cultural elements are also significant. Indigenous communities assign deep meaning to certain plants and locations. Sacred sites and healing practices provide emotional comfort and community identity. This cultural connection enhances the mental health benefits of nature. Next, we discuss environmental justice. This concept focuses on equitable access to natural environments. Historical inequalities can limit access to clean and restorative spaces. As a result, marginalized communities suffer from health disparities. They often lack green space needed for physical and emotional recovery. In Zambia, peri-urban communities face pressing challenges. Insufficient access to green areas exacerbates health issues. For example, women may face additional barriers due to safety concerns. Still, small interventions can lead to large benefits. Initiatives like community gardens or pocket parks make a difference. These projects promote engagement and reduce stress. They foster connections among residents. The concept of therapeutic landscapes can help. These are spaces intentionally designed to promote healing and well-being. Examples include healing gardens and restful trails. These environments support recovery through sensory engagement and social support. Nature-based interventions, or NBIs, offer structured programs leveraging nature for health. Green prescriptions and activities like forest bathing improve mental health outcomes. Evidence shows these interventions can enhance mood and cognitive function. Southern Africa reflects many successful examples of NBIs. Local initiatives combine ecological restoration with community benefits. They enhance well-being while fostering social ties. Let's summarize. Green and blue spaces improve mental health through various mechanisms. They offer stress relief, promote social connections, and encourage physical activity. However, access to these benefits remains uneven, demanding justice-focused approaches. To enjoy nature's benefits, we must ensure equitable access. Policymakers should treat natural spaces as essential for public health. Collaboration across sectors is vital in creating effective strategies. As we embrace these ideas, let's advocate for inclusive environmental practices. Together, we can enhance access to green spaces for everyone, ensuring a healthier future. Ready to make a change? Start by exploring your local parks or advocating for community gardens. Every small step counts towards a greener, healthier world.